Yeah, so this is the very first pawpaw that I have ever eaten, and it's something that I wanted to do for a long time. Because I know that you can go and pick them off the trees that grow along the riverbanks at the James River. So let's see how it tastes. I have heard that it's supposed to be delicious. And it is. Wow. Great, thank you so much for sharing. This is awesome.
Okay, I'm going for it. Oh God, it's fabulous. It's really, really good. It's very creamy. I mean, almost like a thick yogurt consistency, and it's super sweet. How could somebody not like this? It was really good. 2 thumbs up. That's it.